just got to think, I am not happy with this area, so I'm going to do something about it. Get disgusted. Change doesn't happen when you are content. Change doesn't happen if you refuse to look at what is bothering you. Don't hide it. Bring it to the light. Enough is enough. My standards are higher. I cannot accept this no longer. Enough is enough. If my future is going to be better, I must be better. And I must be better now. I must be better consistently. No more weaknesses. No more limits. No more excuses. No more excuses. No matter what, I will not feel like this again. This is my lowest point. I've had enough. It changes now. Nothing will change unless you do. Nothing will get better until you get better. There's something inside you. Something that must come out. Something that must grow. Something that wants more. Let that something out. Let it grow. You deserve more. It's time to grow more. It's time to make more. It's time to work more. It's time to touch more. It's time to say enough. Let go of the limits you were told. They don't apply to you. It's time to create the life you choose. Change isn't going to come about unless you put your foot down. Change will not happen unless it is a must. And it's only going to become a must if you take all the shots you don't like into the light. Then you can go about the business of planning for the life you must have. But it all starts with a decision. It all starts with the courage to make that decision. Declare it now. Every morning, I rise. My feet touch the floor. I'm prepared for war. Prepared to grow. Ready for more. Average will never live in me. I'll show all you doubts. I will fight. I will win. You will see. I'm ready to give. Give all I have. I was born ready. Ready to contribute. Ready to create. Ready to grow. Stop. Won't flow. Greatness was never achieved by those who took the easy road. I flicked that switch, turned on beast mode. I know I must work. I know I must push. I know I must sacrifice. I will work. I will push. I will sacrifice. Never will I take advantage. I add value to all.
Now,
I give
the fence is completed.
all for the benefit of all.
All right. Let's see. Are we still going?
Take advantage.
I think we're still going there.
Drop the ball.
Fence is now done,
I'll leave.
except for the doorways, and then I gotta cut the tops of these posts off, and then cut off the top of the fence, and then we're gonna be 5 feet all around, except for one spot down by that plum tree that I wanted to not cut those branches off because it would have took most of that tree. So we just lowered that one, and a deer's not gonna go in there and jump over it anyway. But there we are, and then now you see all this rock right here. That's all getting spread out on the ground here, in between all these beds, and then I'm gonna fill them all up. Oh, it's hot out here. I got sweat in my eyes, it's burning. But anyway, that's where I'm at. Just wanted to update you on the fence and grow food. Not long. An amazing day. I'll talk to you soon with more updates.